Hey guys, Frost from Ops Airsoft here. So I've made this intro like 6 times now, and it keeps getting longer somehow, even though I'm trying to shorten it down. So I'm going to try to speed it up a little bit. The first things first, the video footage you're about to see is from Power Ops in Conyers, Georgia. Probably one of my favorite fields. Well, it is one of my favorite fields in Georgia. There's always super friendly staff, always super friendly players. I always make friends every time I go here. So yeah, I definitely recommend this field. Like I said, it's in Conyers, Georgia. They're open Saturdays and Sundays, which is why I go there primarily. Second, you're going to miss the head cam footage from this because I was having issues with the SD card on that. Just forgive me. I'm looking into getting some new camera gear. Also, forgive me if you hear Bobo. He's wanting to play and I'm trying to record, so we'll play in a minute. But and then the third thing I want to go over is there is going to be some more videos coming. I've got some reviews coming, some tips and tricks videos, and some beginner videos. I've got them lined up. I just have to record them. I know what I'm going to do, so just keep that in mind. They're coming. They're coming very slowly because as much as I work, I also work a full-time job, plus a side job, plus I try to take care of everything around this house, plus my grandmother's house, plus the rental house. So there's a lot to do here. So yeah, just please bear with me, guys. The last thing I want to go over is probably the most important thing. I will be at Operation Black Dagger 4 at Mount Doom Airsoft, excuse me, in Ohatchee, Alabama. If I'm butchering that name, please forgive me. I don't actually know how to say that, so just forgive me. I'm hoping that's how you say it. So I'll be there. It's November 19th, 20th, and 21st. I'll be there the whole weekend. I don't know if they're playing that Friday because sometimes they do, sometimes they don't at events like that. Normally it's just a check-in. I've been in contact with the organization manager. He's been really nice. He's been a great help for everything. It's going to be a 100 versus 100 event with also some special spots for, photographers in there as well. So if you guys want to take photographs or be a videographer, that'd be awesome. I'd love to see that, guys. I don't know what's going on. Burn so much. Excuse me. So yeah, I'll be attending that. I would love to see some of you guys there. If you're going to Operation Black Dagger 4, let me know in the comments section. Send me a message. We'll get together. We'll play together. I will be playing on the TAN team for the U.S. Armed Forces. I wanted to use my M4, and plus the last time I went, I played as a, not that event, but the last big event, I went and played a Rust 4. It was really fun. I love playing as the Russian forces. I love the Russian weapons. But I wanted to try something different this time, and this was a bigger event. 100 versus 100 is a lot of people. Doesn't sound like that, you know, when Third Coast Airsoft is like 1,300 or 500, 600, whatever it is, depending on the event. But that's a lot of people. So anyways, I'm going to shut up. I didn't want to talk through the whole video, so I just want to make a quick intro. So yeah, just let me know what you guys think about the video. Let me know what you think about Power Ops. If you're going to be at Black Dagger 4, let me know, and I'll see you guys next time. Thanks. All this video so the guys at work will actually come join us one day. Okay, tried to be friendly, now we gotta kill it. Wow. I waved at him, he flipped me off. Well, hang on. I'm gonna go to the right. Hit! Got me right on my
Watch it, Edwin. Watch it. Watch this side, Edwin. Careful, Edwin. I'm getting a lot of misspeed. That was close. Oh, he's down. Or maybe he's not. Can't tell if he's dead or not. Hit! Good shot. Alright, Em. I got right side. What? Ah, let's go back. Same thing, let's stick to the right side. Me and you will lock down this alley. Just have to watch out for that guy with the shotgun. There's somebody far right. The guy who got me. No way, that guy. Watch yourself, Ev. Come on, bud. Come on, bud. Watch it, Evan, watch it. I misfired. Hit. Good shot, good trade. I did 2 for 1 trade, so it's pretty good. Whoa. Woo. He's got a good line of sight on you. Right down the middle right here. Oh. You're good. Right down the middle.
Oh, sorry, Michael. You good? I'm at the front.
Go. Go. I'm going left. Oh! Whew! That was close. Far right side, 3. Woo! Shit, close. I get you? Okay, we're good. Oh. Come on, come on, come on. You still got 2 on the right side. At least. Oh, shit. Okay. Hit. but I need to move. Yeah, good shot. Yep. Okay, I'm back. Had a magazine that was misfeeding. Good? Yep. Watching Mika's right in the middle. Right behind the red building. Oh, he's good, he's down.
One over the red building in the middle by the crate.
Moving up, moving up. Huh? I got. Woo. Whoa! Ooh, that shotgun is good. Where's he at?